Then, make certain that the refuel valve selectors are in the normal and guarded position. For automatic refueling, set the required fuel quantity in kilograms on the pre-selector by tripping the rocker switch to INC, increase, or DEC, decrease as needed. Now, lift the guard from the mode selector and put the selector in the refuel position. The pump of the fuel tanker pump unit is started. Monitor the fuel quantity indication increasing. All tanks are fueled simultaneously. The actual indication increases together with the tank quantities. When a wing tank is full, the high-level light comes on. The corresponding refuel valve is automatically closed. The center tank continues to fill. On the tanker, the quantity delivered is given in liters. The fuel stops for approximately 5 seconds near the end of the refuel operation. This lets the computer calculate accurately where to put the last of the fuel. When refueling is completed, the computer lights the end light. The actual and pre-selected quantities agree with 100 kilograms tolerance. Verify that the fuel is divided correctly between the tanks. The pump on the fuel tanker pump unit is stopped. Replace the mode selector to its guarded off position.